Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. We have the not even quite finished yet Blue Thunder. Now this color is a bit of an oddity. It looks very blue in the sun here now on the camera, I see, but it's in fact, in real life, it's sort of more like this. It's sort of like this actually. It's not as blue as the camera makes it out to be, but besides that, with this little 2200 inside, we're up at 1350 grams, so that's a very nice weight. With a 3300 you'll be just over 1400, which is still super cool, and there's so much space in here that you can get the CG exactly right. So I'm just gonna lift her here now on the two nails, on the two bolts, and we'll see how she hangs. Very good. Yeah. You can glue the tailpiece in if you want. I just put 3 little screws, standard 88 millimeter 8-bladed prop. Don't worry about my super duper motor here. That's just the one I happen to have, because this electronics, or these electronics, came straight out of my HX50. So I just bombed them straight in. The only change I made is I took the head speed down to 75, because it's a little bit lighter. The HX is a bit heavier, and that is at 80. So you can go nuts with this. I haven't even printed the two side things here yet, and I haven't put the windows in, because I'm literally flying it for this video, and then it's going into the storeroom. So, you know, that's a 3-hour job to put these windows in, but they're very simple. They're all just flat. So you just put some masking tape here, draw them out, give yourself 3 millimeters each side. So when you stick it on the inside, you've got some room to put the glue in. I use a hot glue, little blobs of hot glue, plop, 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 and I pop them in. Easy to construct, really. It's nothing fantastic, nothing dramatic there, to be honest. Just assembles, sturdy landing gear, flies well. You know, what can I say? I mean, it is it's just a shell. The electronics don't care what is around it. Could be a shoebox. As long as it's balanced, then it will fly. So yeah, the Blue Thunder for Flywing, I think it looks good. Look, it's not my personal favorite shape, but that's each to their own. Yeah, each to their own. And well, let's go fly. Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and run. Now I haven't even bothered to test fly this, because it's straight out of the HX. So here we go. Very light on its feet. Just looking for vibrations or anything, but I don't see anything. Enough tail authority. Slight breeze from the back. Let's pop it into GPS mode and see. So there we go. GPS. So the wind is coming from behind. Back to Atty. Let's point her straight into the wind and see what happens. So they were into the wind, or whatever wind there is. Hands-free Atty there for you. So yeah, let's fly her. I've also decided in general to put my helis into normal mode. This whole aggressive sports flying doesn't really suit these helis, I've decided. So more scale kind of flying. Into GPS. There she is. Let's try and get a bit of better light on that. Maybe like that. Still in GPS mode here. So that wobbling that we see there is just the wind and the GPS doing their thing. If I flick it into Atty mode now, you'll see it won't do that. It'll just drift with the wind naturally. Blue Thunder. Who would have guessed? Naturally the little 8-blader tail does scream a little bit. I mean, that is to be expected. It's not always that obvious. But stable. Stable. Watch the trees. I'm just standing here a little bit in the middle of the field so I can get some bit of lighting on the subject. The sun is behind me now. Now a good Facebook friend of mine is sending me the Radio Master Nexus. It's also the same chap that sent me the L7. So that's going to go into my FW 450. There's hands-free Atty. Yeah. Hands-free Atty. Into GPS. Back to Atty. So even in this more gentle mode, I mean, I'm barely touching the sticks. But if I need it to be, still very capable. And I'm actually finding it a bit more nicer to fly. There's my little battery alarm. Not sure what we got. So let's land her quickly. We'll land her just here. There we go. That was okay. The battery is my weak one, so that was 6 minutes there. Let's get rid of that.